Hey y'all, I got sent over some solar spotlights. These are the like shine on your wall or your fence or something like that on the outside because they're solar powered. But they say they're automatic algorithm curve powered by the sun. 5 to 7 foot suggested spacing, waterproof and cold resistant. This is a 2-pack. We're gonna get it opened up and check it out if the dog over here will allow us. It's too pretty to be inside, so I wanted to be outside. Got our little user manual here, and the little stake that you put down in the ground. 2 of those. You got 2 lights, so 2 of those. And the light itself. There's 2 of them. So I'll show you the one, and I'm gonna get them set up, and then we'll come back tonight and see how much they illuminate. Mounting hardware. You can mount this on a fence and shine down into your like flower bed or shrubberies, whatever you have in your yard. Your solar panel, your little LED lights right here. So swivel out. Like I said, you could bolt this to a fence if you wanted to, kind of get it at an angle like so. Otherwise it gets a little sun. Depends on which direction your fence is facing, but anyway. Or you can put it on the stakes like that. Have it shining on whatever you need to shine it. Or you could shine it on a flag if you wanted to. Have your power button right here. We're going to get them set up and we're going to come back tonight and take a look at them. So stick around. Don't go nowhere. We'll be back in a flash. All right, as you see, it lights up pretty good. You have to space them out just a little bit, but if you get them too far apart, it would not light up as well because they're not extremely bright. What I really like is the RGB part of the light. Let me show you. You can just push the button on the bottom, the mode button, and it will change to different colors. Really cool. I do like that. But as you see, it lights up this fence really nice, and the little things that we have up on the fence, really nice. Definitely like it. I would give it a thumbs up, other than they're just not real bright. Other than that, they're great. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.